Welcome back to the channel, and we just picked up a new build. This is more of like an affordable build that we picked up for a good price. Just like other builds, we're going to take the video, we're going to show you guys throughout the process of rebuilding this 2010 Honda Civic. This thing only has about 40,000 miles, and yeah, so this thing is hitting the front, and we'll go over here in a second. So if you guys want to get a Christmas gift from Auto Rebuilds, maybe a sweater, a shirt, maybe a hat that we got coming, comment below, like the video, and you better be subscribed to the channel. And if you want double entries, make sure to follow us on Instagram at Auto Rebuilds Garage. Good luck to you guys. Let's get on to this build.
All right, guys, so we're gonna go over the damages on this car. Obviously got front end damage. We're just gonna go around. The windshield's busted. The roof got some fading paint. Interior. So this is not a SI, but it does have SI seats. So pretty fancy. And then we got a train in the background. And yeah, I mean, it's got wheels. The wheels are just really pitted. They say, what are they, forged Japan? I don't even know what kind of wheels they are, but we'll look them up. We might just powder coat them. And let's keep going back here. It's got a little spoiler. Got a little fancy spoiler up here that's about to fall off. Red emblems. And if you guys don't know about red emblems, they do add about 15 horsepower by themselves. So if you want to add power to your Honda Civic, you just have to buy a red emblem, because that means Type R. So just a tip for you guys. And there's an exhaust that's kind of holding on there. And let's keep going. This side is in good shape. Got some bird poop. And then stickers. Stickers also, those are a minimum of 5 horsepower a piece. So the more stickers, the better. And yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna start tearing it apart and see what we got going on in there. Okay, so we're taking it apart. Car's looking good. The damages aren't too bad. I mean, I thought it was gonna be a lot worse, but damages are looking good. So it's obviously gonna need a core support. Hood, fenders, bumper, some radiators, but motor's good. No damage to the motor, and yeah, we're gonna keep tearing it apart. Just to give you a little update on what we got going on. And this car was purchased from IA. So if you guys are in the market for a new project or just want to fix up a car for yourself, definitely go check them out at iai.com and search. They got thousands and thousands of things that you can buy and rebuild. So go check them out. Comment down below on how many hours you think it's going to take to get this car done, and also how much is it going to cost. And for those of you that do comment and put in your guesses, you will be entered to win either a sweatshirt from us, a shirt, or a hat that we have coming. So just a little thing we want to do for Christmas. I don't know if you guys will get the hat, shirt, or sweatshirt. You get to choose only one, and we'll ship it straight to your house. And with the holiday shipping thing, probably not going to show up till after Christmas, but just a little giveaway we want to do. So make sure you guys comment below, and one of you guys will win cool merch. So we got a quick little tip. The condenser is all messed up. It definitely needs to get replaced, but sometimes you're just not sure if the Freon blew out or if you can't see a hole or anything. I mean, just a little tip. You can just go to one of the AC lines where you refill it, and just be careful. I mean, if it's full, it's gonna squirt out, obviously. So just assume that it's full all the time. So just take a little pick or a screwdriver. You can just insert it. There's a little tab. Here, you can show them. There's a little knob right there. You just push down on that, and this one obviously is empty. So just a quick little tip while we're tearing this apart. I just thought I'd share with you guys. So if you're running into this kind of issue, hopefully that helps you and you don't pop a line and Freon goes all over the place. Not fun, been there, done that, but learn from mistakes. So
so we got really lucky meeting these group of guys from Resurrect Media. Their name is Troy and Luke. Really awesome guys. We did a podcast with them. And by the way, once it's out, the link will be below. A little background about us and auto rebuilds. And we just talked a little bit for about an hour. Very interesting. So stay tuned for that. Shout out to them. Go follow them. I'll link some of their stuff down below. Resurrect Media. Troy, really big fan of the Salvage rebuilt cars, and Luke owns Auto Source. They're really cool guys. Go check them out. Be sure to check out Brandon Marketplace. It's a website they just built exclusively for salvage and rebuilt branded cars. A lot of nice cars out there for a good deal. There are newer cars out there, older cars. You could post your car in there as well. So be sure to check them out. This is gonna wrap up the video. The 2010 Civic is all taken apart. We cleaned up the inside a little bit. So next step will be probably take to the frame guy. No, the frame is not damaged. Just the core support needs to get welded in, and we're just gonna take it to them. We don't, it'll be a lot easier for us. And so, but yeah, we're super excited about this build. It's just a budget build that, anybody could buy. It's not a super expensive car. It's pretty easy, pretty cheap. A Honda Civic. I mean, who doesn't like Civics, right? So anyways, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video.